So welcome to day 3. So all this has been cleared now, all the weeds removed, all the grass and brambles have all been shifted. Remove these flagstones and then just tidy up this last little section. Dig all this out, get that bagged up, take out the old rose bush which has seen better days. I think the one behind the hazel tree will keep. We'll just cut back and see if that regenerates, and then we'll make a start on proper landscaping. So let's crack on, shall we? There you go, day 3, and the site is now clear. I'm going to move that palm, dug it out, we're going to put it over there. Weeded all around here now, and all up here. So next is start landscaping. The site is now clear. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button, and please feel free to leave your comments and feedback below. I'd love to hear from you, so don't be shy, and of course I'll reply. See you soon.